Hello, everyone. As always, I am truly excited to have both my followers and my amazing partners join me for this session. A big thank you for my partners for showing up and sharing their value. And my followers for your consistent support, reaction, and engagement. It truly means a lot for me. So today's live in a special because I will be addressing real questions that I have received from many of you. And instead of answering alone, I'd love my partners to share their honest insight and also personal experience. Okay, perfect. I just want to mention something here. Okay, so the first question I have here, do I need to register a business or pay a tax? Question, it's, can you answer, Romain, please? Do you have any answer for me?
So basically, the short answer is you don't need to register your business immediately. But yes, the income is taxable once you start earning. And so far, because this is gonna be my actual first tax year here in Canada, so I haven't filed any taxes as yet. But from what I've learned since starting the business, we're allowed to start, earning income as individuals. And then while you're getting set up, over time, when you start to make your income, then you can go ahead and make sure you're saving all your tax receipts so that when it's time for you to start filing your taxes, you have all of those documents in order. So that's what I have from my end here.
Perfect. I need also, who's answering? Shahid, what's your
Oh,
point of view?
um, okay, so okay, do I need to register a business or pay taxes, right?
Yeah,
So yeah, anywhere in the world, like the income is taxable, right? Earning from this business is no different. So yes, you will have to pay the taxes. How much you pay taxes or do you need to register a business? It all depends how you want to operate the business. I live in Canada, so I can talk about how it works in Canada. If you keep your earnings from this business as your personal income, you don't have to register business. Okay. So if you want to earn under a different business name than that of your legal name, you can register a name under sole proprietorship or you can make it incorporated. Sole proprietorships generally pay higher taxes because all net income is taxed at personal income tax rates, which can reach nearly 50%. Corporations often pay less taxes, around 9 to 50% on the first 500,000 of income. Because corporate tax rates are often lower than the personal rates, many people start as sole proprietors and later incorporate when their income grows. So, which can create tax deferred opportunities and also allow more business expenses to be deducted, helping the business remain more profitable. In Canada, there is no minimum income threshold that a corporation must reach before it required to pay corporate tax. If your corporation makes any profit, revenue minus expenses, it is subject to income tax. So the bottom line is both ways you have to pay taxes, but it's your choice how you want to keep more from your earning. Okay,
yeah.
that's it.
Thank you, Romain and Shahid. Is there anything that you want to add, Devaki, for this question, which is, do I need to register a business or pay tax?
Thank you for the question, Naima, and then I really appreciate you host this meeting today, like this meetup, and I really appreciate for that. So your question, like everybody, like both of them said, like we don't have to register
Right.
immediately, but after like you feel like you want to register, you can register. So for the tax cases, yeah, obviously we have to pay the tax end of the year. Like it's a tax season. We all have to pay the tax. In US, we get the 1099 form, like other businesses whatever they got, like it's the same for our online business too. I think Canada, you guys have to pay, like you guys get the T4. So yeah, we
Yes.
have to pay the tax. It's a legitimate business, it's a taxable business. So that's for all from my end.
Thank you so much, Devaki. Also, sincerely, you have mentioned all the details that needs to be mentioned, which is this business. It doesn't need to be registered right away. We work like individual in the beginning, but after that, depends on the revenue that we will be making. We will have to go and register the company. So for registration, we can do it even from the beginning, but most of the time people when they start making revenues, then they go and complete registration, because other processes for the government that is coming in, and we have to go with that. So the for Canada, we are receiving a T4A formula, and for US, I'm not sure what is it, but you will be receiving something which is equivalent. Maybe next time I will find you what the document that is given or be sent to from US.
It's a 10,
For
I just like to
It's
say, yeah, 1099.
1099.
1099. Okay,
That,
perfect. Thank you very much for sharing this information. And concerning taxes, yes, there is like a taxes that we need to pay. But for Canada, if I'm not mistaken, as I have heard once last week, it's about when we make $30,000 or more. That's the time we're making like a declaration and we complete our taxes. But this is something that we have to verify all the time, because it's coming with update each time. So yes, there is a tax to pay, but it's not with the minimum revenue. It's starting from 30,000, but even though we have to verify. Okay, so the second question I have here, it says, so my customers, my followers and my leads, they're asking me many questions, and one of the questions that I have gotten recently, which is there a guarantee I will make money? Humaira, what do you think
Yeah.
about this question there?
Okay. Okay. This is like the very first question is asked by everyone, because everyone wants to earn how much we have to earn the money. Look, the thing is that uh, 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 it's depends, how you grow, how you have to be start. Like for the answer is that like because it's a business, whenever you have to come in this business you think you will get it in every month. No, it depends on your efforts. So all the money, it depends how you have to be work, how you put have you be effort. So when you grow faster you have to be earn more, and if you when you will be low, you not want to work and you are some lazy, you are not consistent. So it's upon on your working, more effort more earning more growth, less effort less earning or less more. So it's
That's a good
just
thing.
about you, totally on you. So that's the only I want to say, you have to be earned. It's not a fix because it's a business, it's ups and downs. So it only depends on you totally 100%.
Thank you. That's exactly what does it mean? But let me see, Fatih, what does she have for us for this question? What do you
Yes,
think,
thank you.
Fatih?
Because like
Thank you.
Excuse me,
Thank
Fatih.
you, Naima,
Umaira,
for
she's
hosting
one
yeah,
this
the,
moment.
meeting tonight.
Fatih.
And to add,
mhm.
I think Humaira, she talked about this subject, but I can add that that there is no income, as she said, not no income guarantees, but what we provide is a clear system. step-by-step guidance, and ongoing support. You are not left alone, but your results will always reflect your level of action. So we don't guarantee earnings,
Earning.
we guarantee access to structured system and support. The outcome depends on your commitment, your effort, and your consistency. This
Yes.
is what I could say about this question.
Agree with you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you both, Fatih and Humaira. Thank you so much. I think, Divaki, you said that you have something to mention that for that question.
It's like, what is the question? Can you repeat that again?
Yeah, is there a guarantee I will make money with this business?
Oh wow, that's such a good question. Like everybody have like that like mindset. Like when they come, they will make money. Like they have that kind of concept. But in our business, this is not get rich quick scheme. Like we have to take it like seriously. It's not overnight success. You have to be consistent. And for the guarantee, there is a no such thing for the guarantee. Like there is a no like in any area we cannot guarantee our life also. So we don't know like what's gonna happen tomorrow. So there is a no such thing for the guarantee. But we can provide our tools, technique, and strategy, and definitely if you follow that, if you duplicate that system, definitely you will be there and you will be getting all you have to do. So that's also just take it positive. Like if you come, do not think like you are just here to make money. Like be open minded and then think like larger. So maybe that will help you too. Like whoever is sitting behind or sitting in the fence or sideline, definitely think big and then come with the open mindset. You will definitely get the whole business package, like whole business in a box. You will get everything, your personal, professional, mental, whatever success you need, you will get from in this business. So you have to be consistent, you have to show up every day. This is your business. Like in other business, like we have to open the shop, properly. In the same here, we are doing the like attraction marketing through our social media, so we have to be present every single day. So if you have that kind of mindset, or you feel like you can do this, like definitely we are all are doing, like we are all from different background, different country, different culture. We all can do this. Definitely you can, but you have to set your mindset, like be very positive, and you can do definitely. And success is there when you take action. Definitely just take action, and then result will follow you. So do not focus on the mission, just like do not focus on the commission, focus on a mission. Commission will follow you. So that's all back to you.
Thank you so much, Devaki, for sharing. Cecily, in general, you have mentioned the whole point that normally must be shown or must be given like an answer. Yes, as my point of view, also, I will say that there is no guarantee for business. If the business, it's the same thing. Oh, give me one moment. Sorry about that. That's the advantage of being home with your kids. So, as I said, for this business, it's not a guarantee that you will make money, but it's up to you. Normally, the business is the same as a traditional business. The more you work, more you get the results. So here, our business or marketing attraction is. The most important is requiring is to show up every day, to be here all the time, consistency, and work on on yourself and your capacity to give the best results. So yeah, more you work, more you provide the time. More you provide the time for your business, you will be making money. But if you're not working and you're not specifying a time for this business, you will not be able to get any result. One more thing that I will tell you, just like an example, once you start this digital business, you have to make sure that this business is getting a part of your life for itself. So, for example, you're preparing for a meal for your kids. You're going for your time, like a traditional job. You're going for any other stuff in your life. This is one of the stuff that you have entered in your under your responsibilities. So you have to make sure you get to that business and give it time in order to get a result from it as soon as possible. And you are the only one guarantee that is giving
Yes.
guarantee to themselves to make this business succeed.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes, I
so
agree.
Ella, laisse-moi parler. Excuse me. Okay, the last question I have here, guys, it's about do you guess what is it? It's what's the total investment if I decide to move forward? I will ask Shahi to give me his opinion in this question.
What was the question? Sorry, again.
Yeah, what is the total investment if I decide to move forward?
Well, depends. Like, we have different packages there. Like, once you get into our second level, then you will be able to see the packages, and depends how you combine our product and how you want to invest. So once you're there, you'll get to know everything. But the exact amount, it depends how much you can afford. So you have to go to the second step in order to see the total investment. Okay, that's all
Yeah.
from my.
Perfect. Thank you, Shahid. Who is Fatih? Do you have any information about it
Yeah,
to share?
same thing as Shahid said. Yes, yes, there is. If they are asking if there is an investment, yes, there is an investment involved, and there are different plans available. This is not a free opportunity, sure, because you are accessing training, tools, and mentorship. However, the details, financial explanation is not part of my role, our role as mentors. We follow a step-by-step process, and once we complete the first steps, the full details are clearly explained by the person in charge. Each person chooses the plan that fits their goals and the financial capacity with full transparency before making any decision. It means that if you have to choose your own plan, it depends on your capacity, on your on your capacity. If you can, you can choose the one of the three plans that we have. That's it.
Perfect. That's exactly Fatih. Thank you very much for sharing. Romani, do you have anything to add, my dear?
Yeah, as both Shahid and Fatih has mentioned, like there's no fixed price with for investing in the business. It all depends on what products you choose to start off with. And then some people they start off small and then they scale up big in the business once they start earning, income.
Elle a
And
demandé d'abord.
yeah,
Sorry about
and what makes this business even different too is that you don't need a physical storefront, right? You don't need inventory, you don't need any employees. So that's what makes this different. Yes, so it's not just about the monetary part of investing, if you want to think of it that way. You're also investing in your lifetime of training, the support, and also just the whole business system, the tools that will help you to get your business up and running and be successful. The most important thing that I always think of is that it's our dedicated time and consistency that we have to make sure that we have in control. So we get to choose the hours that we work, right? So the same thing for you viewers, followers, anyone who's watching. If you decide to start this business, you get to choose your hours that you're comfortable starting out with, so you can grow from there. And the bottom line is the business is designed to be done in a step-by-step process, so not without any headaches, if you want to call it that, but there's no pressure, basically. So you're able to do it on your own time.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you, Romain. That's much clear and much helpful. I still have Humaira that she'd like to add something on it for this question. You're muted.
Okay. Yeah. What is the question? Like the investment? How much investment?
Yeah, how much investment do we have? The total of investment.
This is the really another important question which you discuss in this meeting. This first question or the second most question is asked common question. Okay, when someone so I have to be answered yes. There is a different options you can avail in this digital business. For the business you have to be do the investment, but the thing is that investment is needed because you are buying a full package. Basically you are buying the opportunity, that's why you have to be paid through that one. You have to be learn the system, you will get the mentorship, and basically that the different products you can buy any of one of them. If you first of all you want to start, it depends upon how much you want to invest. Some people they are totally agree with all of them. Usually they want to start with what them, so it depends upon their pocket or like what they think.
Yeah.
So yes, it is the investment. You can start with any one of them. So because you have to be plugged into the system through that product, you will get your distribution ID, you will get the access into the system, and that is like the bonus you will get it. So there is a comprehensive different plans, and the companies which are we are connected, they have a different the payment plan, something like that. So yes, these are the investment, and this is the system actually how it works with the investment.
Thank you, Humaira. Thank you so much, guys, for everything you have shared. All the information are correct. As we're always saying, the business it's the same. It's the same as any other business in the world. We have to invest if we wanted to get like a revenue or to realize like a side hustle. But the advantage with this business is because we are flexible to work from anywhere and we like and anytime we want. Also we have we don't it's a high ticket investment, but we are investing the lowest amount of the other businesses. For example, if we compare ourselves with the other businesses, and this business is giving the results, which is the commissions, the high commissions when you get in and when you start making money from it. Okay, so today I am so happy to have you all guys for this meeting. I essentially appreciate your presence and you be attending this meeting and being on time and sharing your experience with our followers. All of this information will be shared with our leads and our followers. So thank you very much. Thank you so much for this meeting, and wish you have a great weekend, every one of you. Thank you. And thank you so much also for our followers that is attending our who's seeing our video. If you have any information, I will invite you to leave us a comment for you will find this video in all pages, and Fati's, mine, or Romain, Shahid, Devaki, and Humaira's pages. So just if you need any information or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to share it on the comment, and we will be happy to share our experience and to replay your questions. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great weekend again.
You
Take
too.
care.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.